this is the slate court. This is the twilight mauve. This is the carriage house. It used to be called Fioli Carriage House. They dropped the Fioli. This is the gilded linen.
Amy picked up new swatches of all of our colors.
Actually, here's the gilded linen there. Actually, here's this color. That's not right, is it? It's supposed to be. Yeah,
Looks
this
good.
is supposed to be garnet dust right here.
Looks good.
What other colors do we got here? That's it for here, isn't it?
Probably.
Yeah, that's it on this house. This one is supposed to be this. That's Regal Plum. Well, there's the Twilight Mauve again, which is totally different.
Yeah, we need to give that another coat anyways.
This one is supposed to be Grandma's Linen. It's
Yeah,
all faded out.
needs another coat.
And this at one time, that's a huge difference. Doesn't even look anything like it.
That was when they changed the bases on us. Probably a good thing they did. Okay, so that's some of the colors. Amy picked up new swatches so we'd have them. And eventually we have to give new coats to some of these places because we did get some over here. Oh, here she's showing me another color here.
Crabapple Wine looks nothing like that now.
Yeah, that was the old base when they changed it. Plus 11 years, well 10 years. So places over here we have to redo because we couldn't get all the old paint off. But then if it's in the sun, the old paint does come off. So you can see right here, the paint was off. Here it wasn't off. So now it's off. So we'll go through and touch them up and then we'll give the whole thing another coat. Amy's comparing some of the colors up here.
There's the Crabapple Wine here.
Yeah. And some of these other colors are our accent colors.
Grandma's Linen again.
And here's where we have to get painting. Okay, that's it for the paint colors.